Now I'm going to show you how you're going to work with the layer palette a little bit. So you can see here we have all of our layers that we've separated, starting with the cutting board, the lettuce, the olives, the tomato, the sticker, the pepper, and the carrot. And down at the bottom is our background layer. So you can see I've got that off. So you can see all of the individual items that we have separated out. Now, how the layer panel works is this. Whatever layer is on the very top, which is our cutting board, that item is going to cover and be on top of all of the other items. So if I take my move tool here, or select tool, I can grab the cutting board because I have the cutting board layer active, and I can move it around, and you're going to see that it covers up all of those other items. If I grab something that's kind of in the middle, like the sticker, and I grab the sticker and start moving it, you can see it's going to go underneath some items but go on top of others, right? So depending on where it is in the layers palette, right, at the top, the middle, or the bottom, is going to determine what's going to go on top or be behind something. Okay, so let's say I want the sticker all the way on top of the cutting board. All I have to do is click and drag that layer up on top of the cutting board, drop it, and now my sticker will go on top of the cutting board. Okay, so all you have to do is just move those layers around. And again, having these renamed is going to be very helpful for you as you start arranging these and putting them on top of something or under things, to make eyes and a nose or ears or fingers and hands and whatever that you want to do to create your person, creature, monster, whatever it is you're going to be designing. Okay? How do we make now a copy of something? Let's say I want two of these stickers for eyes. All I would have to do is right click on my sticker layer and say duplicate layer, and you can see I have sticker copy, and it is on top of the other one, so just click and drag it off, and I now have two, right? So if I do that again and make three, duplicate layer, you can see I have the original, the first copy, the second copy, right? And I can move this around. Let's say, you know what, I don't want three, right? I only want two. I can get rid of layer copy 2 by right clicking again and saying delete, and it will delete that layer for me. Okay, so that's how you can arrange layers, copy layers, duplicate layers, delete layers. All right, so that will help you understand the layer palette a little bit more as we get going and building our people.